2025, Donald Trump decided he want to annul that. I don't know if he succeeded. You should try to search for it. However, on this very topic today, what they're not telling you about AI taking people's job, one breakthrough has actually emerged and it changed everything. And believe me when I say this is not a pure PR, I'm not affiliated with them. But however, I've actually tested it and it is so mind-blowing. The texture of the reality of its result is so monumental and already is facing a huge battle, lawsuits upon lawsuits. What are we talking about here? Welcome back, guys. I am Dr. Cool. In this very today video edition is going to be exclusive and it's about AI. Finally, I get to talk about this very topic. And I hope most of you who are new to my channel are going to be finding this very interesting because I'm going to be going the route that most people are not talking about, they are not telling you about, because someone got to tell you the truth that is there so you can harvest the knowledge and not get left behind. Because if you fall behind, you get left behind. That's the race of survival and thrive that is currently in vogue in the world. So come, please don't subscribe to my channel if you don't like my video. And if you already subscribe and you turn on notification off, kindly just unsubscribe so you don't need to turn off your notification. Now let's get in. There was a prediction by the experts that AI is going to be making more millionaires than internet did. Why did I say that? A lot of them will not explain to you, but I am here to explain how AI is going to be making more millionaires. I've already explained it in some other videos, but in this very video here, I'm going to be explaining current trajectory that AI is diving and creating more millionaires, not just only millionaires, and trying to solve most problem that has been plaguing humanity for more than 100 decades. Yes, I am absolutely serious. The first phase of it is what no one is talking about. Have you actually taken a look at the outburst of female humanoid? The humanoid busting out is not very concerning, but female humanoid busting out is actually very concerning. And if you take a look at some of them, like I'm going to put somewhere here, striking resemblance of real human is so close that the thin line between reality and a fake or artificial is so blurred that you can't differentiate between them. The textures of the skin, it is just so unbelievable. And why is this very concerning? Like I said, it's concerning because a lot of people don't see the trajectory with this very AI here is diving. If it is just a male humanoid that is coming up, well, it's going to receive a lot of praise. You should have been seeing a lot of people talking about it because the society structure today is taking more lives of the male than the female in the soldier saturated diving, most dangerous rig works, offshore job, you name them, most dangerous work ever that you can ever think about. It's been taken by men and is claiming their life in dozens and hundreds of thousands. Military, you name it. So men are not winning that around. So there's going to be a lot of excess of women that is going to be piling up somewhere as leftover in the near future. This is not a prediction, this is a reality based on what's on ground. However, there is a problem that has plagued humanity for more than 50 decades, 50 to 100 decades, and the people that's plaguing is actually the West. The Western marriage, by 80%, has been going into divorce. When you're seeing Kim Kardashian displaying what he's doing and a lot of others, women who are joining the feminists in disguise or not even joining the feminists, but wrecking marriages, is a sign and a vivid explanation of the plague in a marital affair that has been dealing with the Western nation for years. And who created it? They created it, giving women power over men, guiding where the law is on the side of the women and not on the side of the men. That is some sort of a disproportionate double standard measure that created the problem. And guess what? The result is very, very awesome to the people who created it. Congratulations. It wrecked a lot of marriages and it has not stopped. As a matter of fact, it's throttling her that this very day, 2026, when a Western woman, a modern woman, is saying I love you or want to get into a date or relationship with you that is going to lead to marriage, when one's putting that ring on her finger, the next anxiety you're going to be having is divorce anxiety, just like you have range anxiety in electric cars. And nobody is talking about it. A lot of people have been talking about it. However, the female humanoid rise seem to like about to solve that problem. And this is going to be very crazy that maybe in the near future, in 2030, the cost of upgrading your iPhone is going to be cheaper than obtaining one female humanoid. Imagine that. And if it can be able to raise or kind of grow embryo artificially, then it's game over. That is a part of AI that nobody is talking about. So when you see bigger industry rushing into it. They are trying to create a solution. And in that very near future that I'm looking at here, there's just going to be only few numbers of modern women. When we're talking about there are a lot of quantities of men, just little left. You think it's a joke? No. 7 out of 10 births given every day are women. I want you to go and check it. I'm not a fan of statistics, but when you look at this one here, it is so glaring and it is so concerning. Now, let's go back to the second phase of the AI rise that a lot of people have been screaming and shouting about, and yet it is not as it sounds on the surface, because there is something even much more interesting about when people talk about that the AI is taking their jobs. They are not telling you that on the other side, sweetheart, AI is creating millions of jobs and taking thousands of jobs. So isn't that a win-win situation? It is actually a win-win situation. And who are the people who are still crying about AI taking their job? In my guest, it's still the same West who are battling with marital issues and 80% of the marriage hitting divorce. Like now is a trend for women using marriage as cash out. That to some point in 2025, Donald Trump decided he wanted to annul that. I don't know if he succeeded. You should try to search for it. However, on this very topic today, what they're not telling you about AI taking people's job, one breakthrough has actually emerged and it changed everything. And believe me when I say this is not a paid PR, I'm not affiliated with them. But however, I've actually tested it and it is so mind-blowing. The texture of the reality of its result is so monumental and already is facing a huge battle, lawsuits upon lawsuits. What are we talking about here? First and first, the content creating apps. The first one, the video creating one. Google VO3 kick out, the banana kick out, but then miss the puzzle that it's actually not supposed to be very expensive to acquire, because these days you hardly see people who are actually using that Google VO3 to really do video. Imagine the billions of jobs it's going to create in content creating community, video creating, content creating community, movie making. People will get to see firsthand fresh brains who are script writers and directors in shadows that have never been, their work of art has never been seen or watched before. That would have been more catastrophic, let me say devastating, brutal scenes than anything you have ever seen. However, due to that high price, it cannot deter a lot of people. But I'm just giving you just one tip, 0.something% of what AI is capable of doing, the job is capable of doing. Which, yes, who are the people who are standing at the side to lose right now, which might be the people who stimulated the price to go up, is your Nollywood, your Hollywood, your Bollywood. Because those industries are going to be going down if the Google VO3 and the Banana and the rest of their conglomerate decided to lower their price down for affordability. However, let's go into some other YouTube video content creating ones that are doing great. Their price is a little bit affordable. It helps humanity to speed up faster. The 7 days, the 10 days, the 20 days of staying behind a video has been slashed into just some few minutes and the video is out. However, a lot of people don't like it because those few people who is taking food off the table. Do you know how much the cost of those software to create those videos are, apart from those long hours? That is the problem that a lot of people who are talking about AI taking their jobs is not often telling you, where they're telling you that AI is going to take their job. Do you know how much you put into CapCut to put all those powerful visual effects? Do you know how much you put in Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects to create that 40 or even 20 minutes or even 10 minutes video? Now here is the bunker, a heartbreak to that very story that a lot of people are not talking about. When you finish spending like 7 days and pouring your heart, blood, resources, time, energy to it, and your audience or the overlord or the internet decided not to suggest it to larger viewers like they are doing to my video right now, what are you going to do? It's going to be crashed. But now let's flip it around. If you should have used Banana or Google VO3 to do that video and it's very punchy and it's just maybe within 30 minutes or even let's say like an hour that it takes you, and the AI algorithm decided to push it into the trash and make the video flop, are you going to feel the pain like you're going to feel when you put 7 days, not just 7 days, with the subscription attached, your resources, your time, everything? You're going to feel more pain with the one that takes your time and resources and the video get thrown into the trash than the one that just takes your money, because you can make the money back but you can't make your time back. That is one brutal uppercut the AI have in providing humanity more enabling environment and job opportunity that a lot of people are not telling you. Now here is another bunker to that. App again, another AI app surface on the internet that is shutting down everything right now. This one is not just on the content creating side, on the video side, is on the musical side. It's called Suno. Trust me when I say this is not a paid PR. This is not, I'm not affiliated with Suno. And have I tested it? Yes. And the result is so mind-boggling that in fact the entire conglomerate and empire of the music industry knows that this is so existential to their industry that they are doing anything, everything possible to pull the plug on Suno. As I'm talking to you right now, there are countless of lawsuits going behind the scene. Some other counterpart like Mosaic have shut down along the way and reduced to running slowly at a slower pace. But however, Suno is throttling high and the revenue is going in billions, which makes what the expert has said about AI making a lot of people millionaire than internet did is becoming true, because the capability of AI has not been fully harnessed. It is too vast. And we have not even started talking about other musicians that use Suno to create a music that went viral and made great billions in streams, millions in streams, if not exaggerating, that Spotify get caught up to start playing the judge and jury as much as the executioner in that very situation, because why? The voice is generic and Suno hasn't been able to tailor it in such a way that they can clone the person's voice to do it. Because as soon as Suno is able to line up in their next update and put the clone effect so that even on the mobile phone or on the computer, people can be able to use their natural voice to infuse into the power which Suno just unleashed right now and giving to individualities, upcoming artists, hidden artists, which has been cut off by record labels, by different industries that have conducted different kinds of fake auditions to filter it and give power to only selected few. And now Suno decided to give it to a lot of people. Bro, that is what I call a high level up. Few octane, like a high octane level up that Suno just gives to different individual right here, an opportunity that has been buried for far too long and given only to few people. And that's why you have just only few shining stars as musicians up there, because the real genie is still hidden in the bottle and hasn't even been opened. Like you read that book that says that the beautiful ones are not yet born. But however, in the music industry, the real genie, the real singer, the real lyricist, music hasn't even been heard before. And what do people go? The people who know that they are standing a chance to lose now start sponsoring board to come in the comment section and say the music sounds suck, it's suck to hear, it doesn't have soul to it. But that's rubbish. When you need to listen to some of it, because there is someone who is behind that lyrics. Even though if it is written by ChatGPT or even Grok, it still doesn't count. Why? Because there is this someone who is directing it, giving it prompt, controlling, telling it what to do. It's just assisting. Grok is just assisting. Suno is just assisting. There is someone behind it. If the Grok, the Suno, the ChatGPT could be able to do it without input of humanity, that is where it becomes very existential. As a matter of fact, they can do it. But when someone did it with his own input, maybe you guys don't really understand the broader picture of what I'm saying. What I'm trying to say in essence is, there are voice, a very melodic voice that have not been heard. There are artists out there, a powerful artist out there, performer out there, who are waiting for this very opportunity, golden opportunity the AI just brought out through different platforms, through different categories, because they lack the money, the finances to finance it, to pay record labels, to pay different kinds of, and they have that golden opportunity. There are a lot of people who don't have that gaming laptop or workstation to do all that powerful video, and Banana or whatever you call it, whichever app that is trendy right now, that is changing the entire tech space in terms of content creating, now give them the golden opportunity. Heck yeah, people are gonna get mad about it, that it's now recording and making authenticity. They're gonna cry about authenticity. It's bullshit, because back in the day, nobody cares about authenticity. Realistically, how many times have you seen people who are riding a Rolls Royce, Bugatti, Lamborghini? You know the source of what they did to N. Smith. The very day you will know, you'll be so shocked, and sometimes you can even reduce you to your own destitute or fallen apart, and you want to keep crawling, because it's as hideous, as terrible, as most dangerous thing you can ever imagine, or most heartless, unethical thing someone can actually do. So what is the authenticity behind all that heartlessness? No soul, which a lot of people are saying that Suno song, and some of them is. No, you need to sound that is coming from this. Then you will understand that Suno literally disproved what a lot of other people are saying, that it's going to steal a lot of people's job. And that is why I say at the very context of this very video here that the AI is going to be taking like hundreds or thousands of jobs, but it's going to be creating like millions and billions of jobs to people. So all you need to do is to find where your own potential is. You must have a potential. Let's say, for instance, there is an artist who has been writing lyrics for quite a long time. People don't want to buy it. People don't want to sell it. You have a lot of people who are faking to cheer artists up these days. Come on. If you want to know how real it is, if you want to know if it has a soul to it, create a song and leave it out. And if the promotional tool is there, the best promotional tool, promote it. And let's promote it and promote the real one. See which one is going to hit harder for. That is just it. Which one is going to win? Which one is going to put the other one in a slum? That is what is the take home, because back in the day, what matters is how much you make, how much you can provide, how much you have in your bank account. That is what matters. Different formula, the same result. I think that is a win-win. So if anybody want to cry on his diapers, he should go ahead. But like I said, you have known that there is more positive side to AI coming to help humanity, assist humanity, than a lot of people are making it to sound. AI is providing more jobs, that it takes more jobs. AI is giving and creating more opportunities, creating more billionaires than it creates poor people. So guys, be my guest. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'm gonna be right there with you. This is the time. This is your opportunity. Whichever digital skill, ability which you have, which can actually be translated into digital form, is only those who are lazy that are going to be feeling their poor in this very AI age. Why? You want to create an audio file, you want to create an audio book or something. It is very simple. You want to create a book from audio, which they now call I've forgotten it. So there are too many opportunities spiraling out of control these days. But let me tell you what the real fight is. The real fight which people are trying to is to give only selected few selected people power. Why? There is something I found somewhere. There is someone who actually created a powerful song, a very powerful song using Suno. Thank you, Suno, the new upcoming artist. But everything which I have done there, from the lyrics, from the composition was made by him. So when people cry about authenticity, I want you to remember this last word I'm going to be using to round it up. Everything from the composition and lyricist, he did it. All what he lacks at that very moment, when you have composed the song, determine the song progression, write the chorus and the verse, the break and whatsoever, determine the tone it's going to have, and the wordings there, which is the lyrics. What you're just needing is just a recording studio that's going to pen it down. And that is what Suno gave to people. A lot of millions of people out there. But few people are hating it. You can go ahead and hate it. So this guy is blowing up somehow. People who listen to the song for the first time were too shocked that an upcoming artist could deliver a punchline, more powerful song than already existing artists. This is crazy, but it's a reality. It's happening in 2025 and 2026. I'm going to give you the song name in the listing below, which I suspected, so you want to take a listen to it. And now, there are other trolls, new set of trolls who want to hate, oh, is AI made? Come on, just give them time. They're going to get used to it. Initially, when the smartphone came the first time, a lot of people were saying that it's witch and sorcery. But today, it's hard for you not to see people who are using it. A lot of people criticize Apple that it's a sign of a forbidden fruit. Oh yeah, the same people today, a lot of them are having it. So when new technology or even new upcoming artists or new content creator come out, all what I'm saying is let Google become fair and stop witch hunting and giving one people more opportunity, manipulating algorithm for another while leaving other to thrive. That is all I'm going to say, right? Which I'm also saying that it's not just only Google US is doing it, because that's what the trade sanction is, where they let the Chinese market that's going into US to flop in order to allow the American one to thrive. So the same thing is going on with YouTube. I know a lot of people are very confused about it. So tell me in the comment section which one you've seen, which one you're trying to move, the best move you're trying to make, because that is where it's at. It starts from us saying this is what we want to do, and we go into manifesting it, and from there we blow up from there. But when you keep it silent, when you keep it secret, most of the times it dies secret. You don't know capabilities which you have until you start putting them to test. So put yourself to test today. Put yourself to test and stop listening to every rubbish that people are telling you that you can do it. You are a jack of all trades, master of none, and they forget to tell you that at least it's better than the master of one. Sure, you're right. So see you in the comment section. And please don't subscribe to my channel if you don't like my content. If you're not going to be watching my content, please don't subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you. And if you already subscribed and you turn off your notification, there is no need. Please don't subscribe. You're going to be good, alright? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.